Estate planning, winner takes all. I'm going to share a story from our client's file. Had an interesting conversation with one of our trust advisors, and we was talking about some of the things or stories that happens with clients who do not have proper estate planning. Hi, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, also known as Coach Coop with Cooper's Accounting Service. If you'd like to learn more great tax tips, download our popular financial guide at our website, yourfinancialfreedommatters.com, or click on the link below. Once again, winner takes all. We had a married couple, husband and wife. They both had 2 kids outside of their wedding. They got into a car accident. They both died. The 2 children decided winner takes all. What do I mean by that? One set of the father's children, they win the inheritance, or the mother's set, they win the inheritance. Both parents combined were worth $12 million. So how can you tell who's winner takes all? You tell who died first. What do you mean by that? If the husband died first, then the wife is the surviving spouse and her children inherited $12 million. Now, most people say, well, how come they want to be so greedy? Instead of $6 million, they split it up. It's $4 million each. One would think that. They didn't. The set that won, if y'all want to know, was the mother's children. They inherited $12 million and they split it. For more easy financial tips, sign up for a financial tip newsletter by going to yourfinancialfreedommatters.com or click on the link below this video. You can also download our financial guide as well. If you'd like a free 20-minute smart money consultation, call us at 562-436-2600. Well, again, I'm Stephen D. Cooper with Cooper's Accounting Service. Don't miss our next video where we discuss the daughter. What did she inherit?